Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And your girl is going to start these clean with me segments. I love watching these segments on YouTube, so I thought that I would start incorporating that on my channel. So yeah, clean the kitchen with me, guys. As you can see, my kitchen is a little bit of a mess. Since it's just me and my son, I basically spot clean all the time, but it was a Saturday morning, so I decided to go ahead and do a deep cleaning while I had the chance and while he was away. Now, I do cook a lot, so basically I love using this awesome cleaner on my stove top. It's basically a great cleaner as well as a degreaser, so it definitely removes all that buildup from cooking. So I definitely love this stuff, and it's only $1, y'all. And mainly for my cabinets and everything else, I basically just use my Clorox spray. Definitely love it. Kills all the germs and things like that with my son being down low and touching every single thing. So I definitely love to use the spray whenever I spot clean as well as when I deep clean. Now to clean my stove attachments, I definitely use that awesome. Once again, like I said, y'all, it's a great cleaner for $1. I got it at my local Dollar Tree, so I highly recommend this product. So while I clean, I actually like to listen to like old school R&B or some trap ratchet music. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It just makes cleaning process just fly by. So yeah, comment down below what type of music you guys like to listen to whenever you clean your home. So basically right now I'm just clearing out my counter space. That way I can go ahead and wipe it down. So basically I'm using that Clorox spray once again to kill the germs. And yeah guys, I basically love the smell of bleach. So yeah. Now guys, with my table, since I do have a 1-year-old, I have plenty of fingerprints on my table, so I'm basically going to spray my table down and let that soak on there. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and use my furniture polish and then go ahead and wipe the bottom of my table down. And y'all, when I say it was a struggle cleaning this table, if you guys own a glass table and kids, then you know the struggle is completely real. I had this last year or 2 years ago, so I definitely didn't want to get rid of it. So that is why I have a glass table. If it was up to me, I would definitely have a wood table. Now, after deep cleaning my sink, I actually go in with baking soda. Baking soda definitely shines your stainless steel sink, so this is a plus, and it's very inexpensive. So I absolutely love it. Baking soda. I got baking soda. Thanks for watching, guys. My first clean with me video. So I will hope to keep this segment going on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.